This morning, I'm going to make carrot agar for a fungus that I'm growing. So yesterday, I bought a jumbo carrot from the supermarket, and I don't think we have any knives in the lab, so I chopped it up at home. I have 500 ml deionized water, and I have a hot plate that I've put here. It's warm, hence my sign. This is lab grade. It's not Pyrex, but it should be able to handle the heat. Actually, let me turn it down. Hopefully. Oh my God. Right? And I'm going to boil the carrots. I'm going to add them to it, boil the carrots, and then blend them in the Ninja that we have in the lab. Then I will filter it or strain it using cheesecloth. Add some of the pulp to it. Then add agar, sterilize that, and then I'll have a carrot agar. So watch me do that. This is so fun to watch. I'm just realizing that I might not have watched anything boil this close. Whoa. Ooh. Oh, full on boiling. So now I am going to blend the carrot. Blend the carrot. It's like I'm making carrot juice. I don't like how this is unstable and rusty. All right. I don't know, maybe I have too much water in it. Ooh. I don't know, I'm going to pour off some of the water. I don't know. It's not sitting well. What is going on? I don't think it's working. Ugh. I don't know if we have another blender. Okay. I'll have to figure it out. Smells so good. Oh, this takes me back to not me, but carrot juice making. I need bottles for the agar. So I'm going to make some with pulp and some without. So I have a straight. I'm going to add back that water. I have a strainer. I also have cheesecloth. Like we have, because we make up stuff with fungus a lot. So we have big pieces of cheesecloth. Both the strainer and the cheesecloth to filter it. Oh, it smells so good. Uh-oh. This is messy. No. No. Oh, no. What am I going to do? Look at the carrot. It's so pretty. Maybe I should just make the bacon with the carrot pieces. Okay, maybe that's what I should do. Okay, good. Alright. Just need to top this up with some water. Yep. And then I'll add the agar to it. Oops, okay, that's a lot. Or 1 liter, I would put 15 grams of agar, but because I'm doing half, 500, I'm going to put 7.5. And agar is extracted from seaweed. It's a gelling agent. So 7.5. Oops, okay, that's more than 7.5. Alright, so this is where it smells. Perfect. Alright. And I'm doing this one, which is about 250, so I need 3.75. And then once that's done, I'm going to put the autoclave tape on it and then put it in the drying pressure cooker. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, this looks so good. Alrighty, done. When it's done, I really hope there's enough agar in it to make it, solid enough. And I'm going to grow more stuff. That's wheat. This is rice. It got cooked. Hopefully that was the intention.